Well guys, welcome back. This is quite a different scenery than what you probably are used to seeing. We're not in Texas, not in Illinois, we are in Maine. I'm sure as you guys can tell, I've officially gotten settled here in my new cabin up north. I'm so excited to be here. This is like definitely one of the coolest places I've ever been. I'm so happy to have gotten some property in this place. So this is gonna be the first time I've ice fished in a year. I think it's been almost a year since I moved to Texas. I've not ice fished a whole lot. I love it. I grew up doing it. It definitely has some downsides, one of which of course being, I mean, this stuff right here, it's really cold, but today's a beautiful day. We're actually gonna be joining forces with Riley. He also is, of course, a fisherman, but also you make videos, heavy on the social media side, and he lives up in Maine. And when he saw that I was purchasing my cabin up here, he was like, dude, you know, just link up, we'll help you out, kind of get you immersed in the Maine fishing scene. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I finally get a chance to meet him in person. We've been talking online here and there. And then also his buddy Alex is over there. And then we've got the other Alex, and then we got Sam Dizzer in the back, just booing. But yeah, I'm super stoked. We're gonna pop some holes and hopefully catch some fish. Stick with it, stay tuned, and let's crank some fish through the ice. Oh.
A little spoonage.
God, this weather's insane, boys. I'm gonna try to do my best to explain what we're doing today to people who have never ice fished. And honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, ice fishing is so weird. It's like so foreign to I think a lot of people. But the objective is to put a hole in the ice. And then after you do that, you wanna pull a fish through that hole in which you've just made. But you can use tools that help you out, like gas-powered augers. Obviously these sleds are amazing, but this particular tool that I've got in front of me right now is like the best possible purchase you could ever make. It's called, I guess, like simply called like a sonar. This one in particular is a little bit different. It reads the bottom and your bait and the fish real time. There's some crappie right there. They're really suspended. Wow. So you use these tools such as like a fish finder to kind of help you locate those fish, because you're very limited. You're only fishing one spot. If you really think about it, when you're fishing normally open water season, you're making all these casts and you can cover a lot of water easily. But whereas like ice fishing, you're limited. You're kind of fixated to that one little hole that you're fishing. I mean, you can move around and make other holes, but you're basically fishing vertically. It's difficult at times, but it can also be like extremely rewarding, especially if the bite is on fuego, which hopefully it will be today. It's actually January 1st right now, so if I catch a fish today, this would be the first fish of 2020. That would be huge. No. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. She's spicy. That's the new sled that we that thing is sick. Well guys, quick update for you. We haven't caught anything yet, but we're trying. Actually no, Dice did catch a fish. It's just me that hasn't caught Dickory Doc. He's still giving her. Man, that thing is quick. It's kind of slow. We're kind of sucking. What is he doing?
There's a couple there where I kind of got it up a little bit.
Yeah, you definitely got it up.
You gonna get some bait?
What are you doing? I thought you were going to go get bait.
Tell folks what's up.
What's up? What is up? Whole lot. Not a whole lot's up, I'll tell you that much.
Bite's a little slow. Yeah. John can't catch.
I'm
gonna go get some bait. 10 minutes down the road.
Right.
Rip the sled.
Yeah.
Maybe I could rip it there. I don't know. These boys hopefully are gonna fry up some crappie because I'm getting really hungry.
Alex and Riley have been catching some crappie before we came here, and this guy also contributed. So we're gonna cook up some crappie, eat them, and maybe that will give us the fuel that we need to go smack some fish. We need a bass though. We need something good.
Yeah.
All right, good luck. See you. That's a pretty big mark. Whatever that is, it's pretty nice. There we go, I'm on. There we go. About time we got hooked up. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, it's good, whatever it is. Oh, wow, jeez. Nice big perch, holy moly. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm so stoked I caught a fish today. We've been out here admittedly for like 3 hours and it's been kind of a struggle, but I've just been riding around in the sled looking for anything that looks good. Perch are kind of an interesting fish. Obviously endemic to up north, and supposedly there's an absolute ton of them up in Maine. They're cold water fish. They thrive in cold water. They like deep water. This is a pretty good one. It's fat. It's not very long, but it's definitely fat, and he's got some beautiful colors. I don't know if you guys can notice, but he's actually flaring his gills right now, and that's their defense mechanism. There's actually a very sharp spine underneath their gills, so you definitely want to avoid that if you're going to catch them and grab them. We just looked it up. We can keep these, and I would prefer to keep this right now because he's a bit of a perch gusher, which is similar to fruit gusher, but instead of fruit, it's just, oh my god, yeah, he's not doing so good. That's okay, we'll eat him. I got you. Oh yeah, here we go. No, this is gonna be fun. All right, so I'm back in the hole right now after my little perchy, and we got another one. He feels very small. Oh my god, are you kidding me? No way. That is seriously the smallest perch I've ever caught in my entire life. Is that for real? Okay, so I've officially caught the smallest fish in Maine. I want to submit this for a state record because I'm sure I would win this. It's just funny to catch a jumbo perch like that and then have it be followed by this. I mean, dude, this guy's probably oh look, he's flaring his, see, he's doing his little defense mechanism. He's flaring his dorsal. Really pretty little fish. It'd be cool to stock some of these in the pond. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, like perch. I think perch and smallmouth would be really cool to stock. Look at he's so little. He's a little tiny perch. Okay, you guys ready for this big release? Or should we keep him? I don't know, those are pretty decent fillets. What do you think? I was like, dude, I was like, it doesn't feel like I've got a fish. I was like, do I just have some grass? Nope, it's just a world small. That was stupid. That was ridiculous. I've never seen one that tiny before. There we go. Here we go. Oh no! Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. There we go. Yes, sir. This is a good one. He's wrapped in my deucer. Oh, it's a good perch. Oh, it's a nice perch. That's another eater. We will take that. Okay, oh, yeah, there's more fish down there. We didn't really buy that many groceries, so these fish are gonna go to really good use. God, they're such good eating too. I just like, that's the one thing I miss about living in Texas is all the good eating fish. The little perch guy, a little bit smaller, but he still will produce some nice fillets. I gotta get back down there, there's more of them. There we go, there we go, they're moving. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. He came up as it was falling. Here we go, here we go. You filming? There we go, on again. Another fish. Lighting them up right now, boys. Oh, that's a good perch. Another good one. Oh man, let's go. Let's go. Another perch. We are on him. This is so crazy because only a few moments ago, we were sucking big old moose nuts and we weren't catching any fish. Look at this guy. He's anxious. Dude, they're getting aggressive. They're like starting to move in. I need to keep fishing. There's some fish down there. That was craziness. Come on, I've got your little buddies. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Yes, this is so much fun. This one feels pretty good too. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a pickerel. That is not a perch. I was wondering, it's like it felt a little bit bigger. Got really nasty teeth, so you gotta watch out for these dudes. Fish species number 2. That's funny. I thought we were just in the mess of perch. That's a good sign though. It means that there could be some, other species down there like smallmouth or maybe some crappie. This is epic. We're going from 0 to hero. Let's go.
Dice. Feels like a better fish. Oh shit, I'm all tangled in the transducer. This is a better fish too.
There we go. Hey. There we go.
Shut up, Siri.
Siri.
All right, this is a mess here, guys. Got a little tangled in the deucer there. This is just a little guy. Frostbite plug. Frostbite plug. Thanks, Perrick, for the baby tantrum here.
Oh yeah, no, that's a jacket.
Yeah. I don't know how the I did that.
Maybe throw in reverse.
Reverse?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Like at this angle?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, dude. We've been, okay, this is my first one. This is my first
This is
one.
a pretty big one.
Pretty bad. This is my, I was trying to do you a good thing. I went to the car to go grab his jacket, and I was sitting on his jacket, and somehow the jacket got sucked.
Like, I'm looking back, I'm like, dude, I would see like my coat. Oh. Open more.
There goes a Patagonia jacket.
Is it good? Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, I got you your jacket.
Yeah, it's a little cold. It's a little wet. Still usable.
I'll get you a new one. I'm sorry about that.
No, that's all right. Patagonia has a pretty good warranty.
I've literally never, I would have never thought in a million years, so I put his jacket down. It was like getting kind of cold. Wait, hold on.
This is my second of this coat that's gotten shredded from like ice fishing.
How did
I cut the other one with an auger, yeah.
Yeah. So I went to go get his jacket. I was trying to do him a favor. I was like, yo, it's getting cold. I'm gonna get your jacket. And he's like, yeah, of course. So I go to get his jacket, but instead of like being responsible, like putting it in the crate, like holding it, I sat on it. And I think I stood up for a second when I pulled up, and it got sucked into the track. And well,
I can't believe we were able to get it out on.
it's done. Yeah. And honestly, the sled might be done too.
Battery's dead.
Battery's dead.
Yep. That's why you buy 2 strokes, folks. That's
Two
why you buy 2
strokes! Battery's dead, but she still works. That's weird. If you flip it over, it turns the battery off. What's that all about?
Battery acid probably spilled. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. I don't know. Who's terminal? I don't know.
Well, guys, there's my first up of the trip. I'm catching up to Dice, but that was definitely a big one. Yeah, that could have destroyed the sled and the jacket. Thankfully, it was just the jacket. Oh, hooked up big browns. Big brown, baby. What we got? Got another eater perch? Please be another eater perch. Yes, another perch. We're eating good tonight, yeah. Did you catch any when you were in this hole?
No, I struggled. Was that sitting on the bottom and then you picked it up?
No, I literally just dropped it down again. This isn't like perfect, but we're here in Maine. It's our first day fishing, and we're crushing. They may not be the exact species we're after, but we'll take it. That was a nice little triumph moment after my up. Game time. Game time. Ready, Dice?
No, let's see.
Yep, there you go. Oh, that might be something different. That might be something different. Oh yeah, that's something different. Crappiezilla. This is species, this right here is species number 3 for the day. We've caught perch, crappies, and that little chain pickerel. Yeah, I also caught a coat. Thanks, Dice. It's so crazy how yellow these black crappie are. I wonder if it's because this water's stained a bit, but that's a nice one. We are going to eat this guy as well. You cooking in there? All right, Riley, talk to me. What's your approach here? This looks really good.
Yeah. So we're gonna just get rid of that. So we got some crappie fillets here. We got some unnamed batter here.
Oh, nice.
Cheapest stuff there was. We had some Old Bay to it.
Right, because you're on the East Coast. You guys have a little bit of Old Bay.
Oh yeah.
Sticks of butter, which all these are going in, right? Yep, the whole deal.
Oh yeah. And how could you ever not use it all?
This is luxury. This is why we went fishing with you, because you know how to do this, right?
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
how you
yeah.
ice fish right. Ice fishing, for those of you who don't know, consists of 25% drinking, another 25% eating, 25% prepping all your gear, and then the remainder is like a little bit of fishing if you get around all that. But it's like the experience, right? We have a literal fryer out here with a propane tank, and we're cooking up some of the fish that we just caught. Yeah, so they're all crappie fillets. If you've never had crappie before, it's really delicious. It's like comparable to, it's a
Yeah.
white meat. It's a really good white meat.
Yeah.
And it can be good. Black crappie and white crappie, delicious. Southern guys eat, I think, mostly white crappie, and then up here it seems to be black crappie is the plug. This looks so good. I'm stoked. There we go. That feels good. That feels nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got something good here. I think it's a bass. I think so. Is it? Or is it just a nice pickerel? I think it's just a nice pickerel. Oh no, it's a bass. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, it's a bass. No!
Oh, you.
That's all I can say. Yeah, I lost it. It was a largemouth. Nice largemouth.
Dude, it's alright. It's alright.
Oh, that was my first good largemouth of the day. That's what we're after. We're out here for smallmouth and largemouth. It might have been a smallmouth, honestly. Well, guys, that's how you lose a fish. If you guys want to learn how to catch a fish, probably go check out a different channel. But if you guys are looking for some tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to dump a very nice fish at the very last moment of the day, then hey, smash that subscribe button, because we're all about that. No, in all seriousness, that fucking sucked, because that's what we came out here for, and it's been slow, and yeah, I mean, it's like almost 4 p.m. Actually, it's 4:06, so the sun's about to set here. Maybe we'll get a last minute fish. If not, it's just good to be out here with the boys, hanging with Alex and Riley, and might even eat some crappie here in a second. That sucks. Damn. So here we have it. These are the fish that we were catching just moments ago. Looks pretty damn good. You're not a bad chef.
Thank you.
It's solid. It's fresh off of the Crisco bath. Oh, look at those little fillets down there. Those filet flakes. Crappie's some of the best food you can eat out in the ice. It's like perch crappie and then like walleye, of course. Those are the trio, the prime trio when it comes to eating fish. I want to eat you so bad, but you're so hot. You're gonna burn my mouth. Oh, it's really hot. Oh man, it just tastes like Maine, dude. It just tastes like up north. Hey, this is solid. Thank you, man. That's so good, dude. This is why it's like people think I'm crazy for going up north or buying a cabin up north because I live in Texas, but like, this is amazing. It's 30 degrees right now. We're eating good food. We're catching fish. Good company, of course, and we got this. Got this. Look at this. This is incredible. This is amazing. Mmm. Tasty.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Quit screaming.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Could you, I mean, that was like, can you blame me though? Holy